Good afternoon and good evening even, and welcome. What we're going to do is just going to move this 8-track machine off the bench, and I'll chuck the 8-track tape in there so I don't lose it. There we go. Get rid of this off the bench. Put that there for a moment. And what I want to do, I want to look at the possibility. I've got this here. And this transformer here, what I want to do, I want to look at the possibility of using this transformer in...
What radio's that, Andy?
DNT B40.
No, I didn't realise they made one for mains.
Yeah, they did. It was only, look at the way they've done it though.
Yeah.
It's only bloody nailed on. Rubbish really. I mean, the radio itself was crap.
Yeah, do not touch, DNT.
Yeah, the radio itself, they were rubbish.
Mm.
I'm going to clip that there, so I'll get a bit more wire. Then I can slide that off. Not worried about the earth, because we only want to measure the transformer.
Yeah.
The output from it. Got 2 wires coming from the transformer there, which is good. Am I recording? Yes, I am.
Yeah.
I am. Now my bloody Stanley knife doesn't want to open.
Oh,
There we go. When in doubt, give it a clout. See, I want to see how much voltage this puts out.
Yeah. Oh, scraps.
I'm not sure how you measure the amps,
Mm.
but that's not really important. I mean, that's not gonna. That radio's only if it's only out. What time is it, Cal?
It is exactly 20 to 5.
Oh, it's too early.
What time does he get?
5:30.
All right. Not yet, son. Later on. Yeah, later.
Right. Give that a thingy. Now what we'll do, we'll disconnect from the board here, because we don't want these going onto the board, because we don't want to power the radio.
No.
We just want to drive the transformer really.
Yeah.
So we don't need that, because we just want to look at the voltage on the transformer. See what if it's above 12, a decent amount above, then I'll try it. But if it's not, because this looks like the sort of transformer that it would need.
Yeah. Well, I would say the size of that, the size of cavity on that 110, you'll get it in there 3 times.
No, you will get it in there once. It's not that big. You've got a speaker in there.
Is it not
as well.
that big?
It's got a speaker in there as well. It looks bigger than what it is.
It does, doesn't it?
People think that, you know. They think, oh, you get a bus in there, but you don't.
No. Oh, I didn't realise the speaker was in the arse end of it.
Yeah, the speaker's on an angle.
Ah.
You'll see when I take it to bits in a bit.
Yeah, it'd be interesting, that.
Right. So we want... Shift that out of the way. We want the safe block. And it doesn't matter which way I connect these, because they can go either way, live or neutral, because it's only going into a transformer.
Yeah.
They're only colour coded because the government say they have to be. Now that's the Variac. Where's Rita the meter?
Rita
Where?
the meter.
Where are you? Come here. Let's see what she's got to say. We want it on. Want it on voltage, what AC. I'm not worried about getting an electric shock off this.
No.
Not in the slightest, because there's not going to be a lot of voltage there. But I always say, why take chances?
Well, exactly.
So we're looking at.
Ooh-wee.
Well, we know the transformer works.
Yeah.
Yeah, we know there's a fair amount of voltage there as well. It just sparked.
Yeah, and his eyeballs nearly flew out the sockets.
We are getting 16 volts
Oh, that's not bad.
unloaded. So what we'll do next, turn that off every time I use it because it tends to eat batteries, that. So what we'll do, we'll put that down here for now,
Yeah.
and I'll just pop into the other room and I'll move the oil. I don't want the oil in the way.
I'll just have a quick smoke.
You've got to have a quick smoke with your lungs, don't worry about that.
No, don't worry about that.
You've got every right to do what you want with them.
I know. I've had them 60 years. Another 60 years will be fine.
You won't get another 60 years out of your lungs.
I'll get 60 years out of me, full stop.
Yeah, well. So what we're going to do now, we're going to just run into the other room.
Yeah.
Going to get the radio. And we're going to look at the, what we're going to do, we're going to connect the radio up to the variac. We're going to connect the radio up to the variac. Put 110 volts into it, but just a transformer. Just a transformer, like I've done with that one. You dirty bastard, scraps, you pissed on that fucking floor again.
Has he?
Yeah, I'm sick of it.
Oh, bloody hell, scraps.
Dirty bastard thing. Yeah, shut that door when you're finished. Yeah, it's fucking freezing.
Oh, yeah, I always close it.
Yeah. Right, so what we'll do, you'll let me in first, hang on.
Yeah, go on, mate, you're alright. There you go.
There we go. Right, what we're going to do here, we're going to start by,
Let's have a look, see what he's doing.
so what we're going to do, see that lead, when I no longer need that, I'll just isolate them and clip them.
Yeah.
Just, I won't take them off, I'll leave them on there. Really, they should have provided some sort of socket, but they didn't. Put that there for a minute. Right, take these off the side. That won't do it. There it is. And what we'll do, we'll take I dropped one of these, it's on the floor somewhere, there should be another one in there.
Oh, right.
No, well, it's been missing for days, you won't spot it.
Oh, right.
Went under the fucking knee hole somewhere.
Oh, bloody hell.
I'll find it when I tidy the bench.
Yeah. You've been a bad boy, Scraps.
Yeah, peeing on the floor, dirty fucking thing. Anyway, and I won't mind he gets out plenty of times. There's no need for it.
Just say when you want him out, I'll stand out with
No,
him.
he whinges when he wants his fucking food. Why can't he whinge when he wants a piss?
Yeah.
Cunt.
Scrappy do.
Anyway, let's get this undone. Right. There we go. I'm not really bothered about them because I won't be putting that bracket back on anyway.
No.
It's bloody big and bulbous and dopey. Right. Take this microphone holder off because...
Yeah, I don't like that microphone.
Well, it's not that. It's some of them have got a screw to go through. The chassis, you can't get the damn lid off.
Yeah.
I mean... I probably won't put the holder back on because there's no real use for it.
No.
Because it's...
Well, I found that.
I use a desk mic.
Well, that's exactly right.
Yeah, go on, you found.
Yeah, I found with the plastic microphones, you know, the back plastic circle that slips in them, used to chew them to bits.
Yeah, it breaks them, fucks them up, doesn't it?
Yeah. That's why I don't like them. Do we, Scraps? We don't like them.
I mean, they're alright if you've got a shelf and you've got a load of microphones and you want to put them all on a shelf. Then a row of them are alright.
Yeah.
Because you can click your microphones up out the way. You know, if you're not going to use the microphones that often.
That's right.
We don't need the bottom off for this, we should only need the top. Well, the bottom actually shouldn't need the top off.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you'll see how it's done in a minute when I undo.
Yeah, I'm itching to see that. Oh, there's your speaker grill.
Yeah, that's why it's like done like that.
Ah.
The speaker's there, and you'll see there's not a lot of room when you see. There's your bottom.
Oh, it's deceiving, isn't it?
Yeah. And there's your speaker, nicely made speaker.
Nice and tiny inside.
It's not bad. And this here, you don't even have to undo them all the way.
No, it just slips out or slips up.
Slips out
Oh.
or slips in. We won't go all the way with that, it should be enough.
Yeah, for a fiver you can't be beat, Andy.
No, you can't go wrong. It was worth a fiver just for spares.
Christ, aye.
You know, if we lift this up there, you see, and there we are. There's our transformer.
Oh, it should fit in there nicely.
And what I want to do is find out. See that there's our transformer there. That's our secondary. Which goes off to our socket down here.
Right.
So what I want to do, because I'm going to just put it back in, I think these unscrew, and I think you can reuse these, but I've got some anyway. But I can't say I'm keen on the idea of AC being brought all the way around the chassis like that though.
No.
I think I would have preferred DC.
Yeah.
But I'm sure you can just screw them off, look, see what I mean?
Oh, yeah,
They just screw off and you reuse those. You know what I mean? So they'll be going back on.
Yeah.
You just screw them on. And what we'll do there, we'll just disconnect that from the socket. Disconnect that. So now we're isolated on our transformer. Oops, I don't know if I want to be careful with the speaker. So what we've got our transformer here. So I'm gonna so there's our transformer. Where's it going into? It's going into there. I'm going to have to clip that there. There's no other way here really, unless I take the board out. Because I'm not going to recap this yet. It will get done, but not yet. I'm just looking for me clippers. Where's me clippers?
It's some there, these, I think.
No.
No, that's not them.
No, they're me. There they are.
Oh, there's some that scraps.
So what I'll do, you see, because this transformer won't be getting reused.
No.
But I need enough meat on it so that I can... There we go. Right. See, and I can pull this out of here. I'll just get the... Where's the, what do you call it, tool? The whizzer offer.
The whizzer offer?
Yeah. And that doesn't fit on there, that's a bit of a bummer. It doesn't fit because I want the transformer out, you see.
Yeah.
It may as well come out because it won't be going back in.
Oh no.
Even if I don't do this modification tonight, the transformer's not going back in.
No.
I have to get a pair of pliers on there as well. There's them yellow pliers that Chris gave me the other day. Last week. Hey, it doesn't seem a week ago with that gold bond, does it?
I know, it's on bloody quick,
And
hasn't
it just, yeah, it really has, it's flowing.
It certainly has.
See, that's all turning, you see.
Oops.
It doesn't matter whatever that was, it'll come out. It's just dropped in there, it'll come out. It's only a piece of metal, I'll know, we'll be able to find that. There it is. I'm trying not to, I keep touching that speaker, I'm trying not to.
Stay there, Scraps. You'll be fine.
Yeah, the problem is getting your tool on. That's it. And obviously we don't want to lose the hardware because we've got to put it all back on. Whoops. Oh,
Oh dear.
oh,
Not damaged that, has it?
oh. I think I got away with that.
Phew.
I'll tell you what, you know, that plate weighs absolutely nothing.
It does when you put bloody tranny informer on it.
Yeah, once it's got a transformer on it, it will.
So what are your intentions with that 110 then?
What with the transformer? I'll just throw it in the bin.
Oh, it's rubbish.
It'll go in mix scrap box.
Ah.
Because there's no... That's the 240, that's the 110 end. And what I can do here... Yeah, I found somewhere for that for me, cow.
Okie dokie.
Yeah.
We'll put it there on that box. Here we go.
Yeah, normally when you pass somebody a good microphone like that, you say, find somewhere for that for me, and say, yeah, I'll take it home. So that's there. We get our meter. Plug that into, and we're going to shove the meter
Area.
into the variac. Every workshop should have a variac. And there are those
That do.
who say that you shouldn't.
Ah, why is that then?
Because they're idiots. Basically. Now we'll take that up to there. 77. 114. 110.
There you go.
110 on the nose. Now what we'll do, we'll turn. Now what we'll do is we'll
Strip wires.
yeah, it's easier said than done.
Way after your Stanley.
Yeah.
It's behind the safe box.
Yeah.
There it is.
I should glue it to my nose. See, and the problem with this is this cloth tape, this cloth insulation.
Yeah.
I mean, it's there for a reason. But
no, Scrappy, you'll have to wait. It's not time yet.
I'll just leave him. He knows. He knows when he gets his meals. Right. So this is the secondary. And that end there's good. That end there's the primary.
So the sole purpose of a variac is to vary the voltage from a 110 to a 230 and vice versa.
Yeah, it's to give you the voltage you want.
That's why it looks bloody heavy. Is it heavy, Andy?
Yeah. All it is, it's a variable. All it is it's just like a it's just like one of these, but it's variable. It is fairly heavy, yeah. I bought this off that fella who I call Lurch.
All right.
This variac. Right. Now we're not worried about this because we're putting 110 into it. And it's 110 that it wants.
Yeah.
Hang on. 110. I made a bit of a clang when I turned that on, didn't it? It's blown the fuse.
Oh dear. On your Varia?
Nope. On the safe block.
Oh, I didn't see it spark or that.
Because the light's not on.
No, it's not, unless its bulb's gone.
It's not. It's a neon.
Oh, right.
It's blown the fuse, so its transformer must be faulty.
Oh, I'll put it in the bin there.
Hang on, let me just... That transformer must be faulty. So somebody could have plugged that in before and blown it. No, the fuse is not blown.
So what went dong?
I wonder if the fuse in the variac blew. Well, it could have been the fuse in here. I can't see this one being blown. It's possible. Yep. Blew the fuse in the plug. So we need to replace that, but we're not going to plug that transformer back in.
No.
Now what we'll do, we'll look at this now, and I reckon there's a short. I reckon this has probably already been plugged in by someone, not Chris, but by someone else. I reckon this has already been plugged in, and we have got 0.6, and let's check that. 0.3. Check the other side. We should have more than 0.6.
Right.
We've got 10 ohms there, which is about right. Now if we get our replacement transformer, so I'm not going to know what the output, I'm not going to know what the output is.
No.
I'm just going to have to just take a chance, I'm afraid.
No.
But there again, 16 volts is not bad.
No.
16 volts won't wreck that power supply.
No.
But I'm going to check that power supply before I put a transformer on it, but I don't think it'll be damaged. But that's a whole different meaning now. Now we've found that transformer short. See, it's definitely short, blew that fuse. See, See, that one's 120 ohms
Yeah.
on the secondary. So obviously that transformer's buggered. So it's been overheated or it's got a short in it.
Something's gone wrong.
And if I check the secondary on this one, yeah, 0.9, which is right. But we know this transformer works anyway, because we've already tried it.
Right.
So we know that works. So let's let's get this transformer out. Let's just check the fitting. Well, we're going to take it out anyway, so...
I say, Andy, I mean, I might be a bit blind to this question, but the PSU side of it, the electronics and the caps and the resistors, will they be the correct value for that transformer for our voltage?
Yeah.
Oh, so there's nothing changes on that board?
No. All it is a transformer. That's all it is. It's just a transformer.
Right.
There's nothing else. And I'm not really bothered about saving much of this.
No.
Right, so what we need to do next is work out how that comes off, because it does come off.
It does now.
Do that. Get the fat screwdriver. So you just do that, you see, because this is all spares anyway.
Yeah.
And most of it's going into a mixed scrap truck. Most of what's left out of this. So I don't cut myself. Fuck's sake.
Hang on, Andy. It's
No, it's
not
alright.
out, lad, hang on.
Yeah.
Whoa.
As long as I don't cut my cock off.
Oh, why does it hang down to the floor, lad?
Right, so that's fancy blowing the fuse. And at least it blew the safe block fuse.
Yeah.
And there'd have been no fuse. The variac didn't half hum, didn't it?
It did. It went boom.
Yeah. But I think this transformer will work in there.
I hope so. It would be nice.
Well, we're about to find out. To do this, we have to remove.
Then you've got the option. You can run it on mains while we've got power. And then when we get the blackouts 3 times a week, you can run it on a battery.
Yeah, there is that.
There is talk about it, you know. Blackouts this year.
Yeah, I know. That is supposed to fit that, but... Right. I've had this out, you know, so I don't understand why that one won't do. I mean, I've had this out because I recapped it. I mean, if what I'll do, let's get the fat screwdriver and get that screw out of that side. There we go. See, the circuit board's in the way there, you see. It is sort of, but it's getting the fucking screw out because let's try this screwdriver. No.
Not having it, though, is it?
Nope. So what we do,
Or is it just ferroboard?
yeah,
Oh,
there we go.
right now.
pliers. And I know this transformer, I know this is working. So what we'll do, we'll move all that hardware out of the way.
Yeah.
And what we want to do is have a look at this power supply. This power supply board. I mean, whatever it was, never got through. If it was done that way, it never got through to the rig.
No.
Because the rig's working. And what voltage is that? What voltage is that capacitor? 25 volts. So we know we'd expect. So we know 16 volt. I think what the thing to do is. I think the thing to do is to try it.
It's the only thing you can do.
Yeah, I think the thing to do is try it. Actually, what I can do, I can actually wire this in. Mind you, I don't want to yet do. I want to temporarily do it because if I wire it in and it doesn't work, there we go. It should come out now. Gotcha. Right. It's getting you. I think what I should do is wire it in permanently, but if there's a problem, I mean, the farthest it would go, I'm just looking, and I don't think, see, somebody else could have plugged that in before Chris got it, you see. But we don't know this.
There you go.
There we go, got that. There we go. Soldering iron. See, because what I'll do, I'll connect it and I'll put it on the variac, you see.
Yeah.
But before I do, I'll test these diodes.
Yeah.
If anything copped it, these diodes will cop it first. And they look in one piece, so I don't think there's the the voltage might not have got through. Might have got to the primary of the transformer and blew. Gone short, you see.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, you often find they go cracky, don't they? Them diodes. They crack open.
Yeah, and the other thing is the transformer could have died before Chris even got it. Could have died in America.
Could have, yeah.
In which case it just would have just blown the fuse. And the big worry about America is they don't have much in the way of fuses in their mains.
Really not?
No, not like we have them in our plugs. They don't have a fuse in their plugs.
No.
Not like we do, no.
No. Bloody Yanks.
They fucking, they don't do it the way we do it. There we go, that's that. Now let's see if our transformer fits, which it should. I mean, in diameter, it's a bit smaller, but the
mounting bracket's the same, is it?
it'll mount.
Might have to drill it out.
No, I won't. It'll mount.
Oh, that's good.
It'll mount. It'll go in. Yeah, look, it'll fit.
Brilliant.
Well, actually, one fits, one doesn't. So, what we'd do there, we'd move that along there, see if we can get them. Just about get it.
Oh, it's not so bad then.
Just about get it. So if I put one in, I think I might need to use the hardware from my original transformer out of. I'm just trying to find the hardware that came. See, that's what came with that one. But I don't think that'll fit. I think that's too big. You know what I mean? That's too big. So we've got the hardware. At least I hope we have. There's the nut and bolt, the washer. But we're not going to fit it yet anyway.
No.
We'll put that on there. We're going to test it first.
Yeah, I was just going to say, let's put test on it. We know it works, as you say, but for the video.
Well, we know the radio works. We know the transformer works. We don't know that the power supply there works. But there is an inline fuse in that. There we go. And the nice thing about them being AC, you don't have to worry which way you put them. See, I'll do a more permanent job.
Yeah.
When I see it working. I'll do a more permanent job on it then, you see. I'll wire this in permanently.
Yeah.
There we go. Next one. Just tack them on, you see, for now. That's all we want. That's that. And what we'll do next, we can operate that outside the radio, which is nice. I need to change the plug in my spare bloody block and all, won't I? Change the fuse in my fucking block.
Yeah.
My safe block, because it blew the fuse.
It did.
And what we'll do, we'll bring it up slowly and we'll see. Right, so we need to find a fuse to put in the safe block. Because luckily it did its job and blew. What size fuse is in there? 10 amp.
10?
Fucking 10 amp fuse, and it blew it.
Alright.
Ooh.
Bit naughty, wasn't it?
Having a fucking 10 in there is a bit naughty. It should be a fucking 5 really. But I think this is a 13 I'm putting in because it's what I've got.
Yeah.
Might be a 5, I can't remember. Out! It's too early. Oh no, it's a 5.
Oh, 5 will do it.
Oh, 5's adequate. 5's just what we need.
Then there's a fuse on the back plate as well, isn't there?
Yeah, there's a fuse there, but I think that's the secondary fuse coming onto here.
Yeah.
Not going to the mains.
Oh no, no.
The mains isn't fused on this. So we'll plug that, move that out of the way, turn the variac down, plug that back in, turn that on, stand him up.
So what are you expecting on voltage output?
Hang on. Well, first I'm expecting to get my meter.
Mm.
There we go.
Read to the meter.
Yeah. I'm expecting, on voltage output, I'm expecting to find, well, it comes to here.
Mm.
So, actually, because it comes to here, and then goes to there, I can actually disconnect it without feeding the radio.
Mm.
Because it just comes to this plug here, really. It goes to the fuse there.
Mm.
Oh fuck it, you can feed the fucking radio, you cunt. What I want to do, I want to go to ground here. I'll put the meter on DC voltage. I'll check this fuse here is not blown.
Mm.
The easiest way to check that is to just that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Even though there was no bleep, I just didn't have the continuity buzzer plugged in, pressed. So that's on, that's on. This is, that's on. I don't know whether it's a floating chassis on this.
Mm.
Right, it's not a floating chassis.
Mm.
So if I turn that up, so we're at 5 volts. If I turn the radio on, nothing. Getting anything regulating?
Mm.
That's not floating, is it?
Mm.
I'm just trying to look for another place to put the power socket. We should be getting something there now.
Mm.
I wonder. Oh, I know what it might be.
Go on.
No, it shouldn't be. Now that's going to the external speaker socket there. I've got 12 volts there.
Yeah, 12.6.
Yeah, I've got 12.6 there.
Mm.
So that's good enough. So we're getting that. So we are regulating.
Mm.
Now what I think it is, if I find the original lead that came with this thing, if I find the original power lead that came with it,
Mm.
there's a fucking switch on the power socket.
Ah.
There's a switch there. See, that won't come on because we're not on mains technically. It's not seeing that we're on mains. And I can't remember where I put the fucking lead.
Oh.
So what I'm thinking, out! That fucking thing's turned on. There we go. I'm wondering, I can't remember where I put the lead. It's here somewhere. There it is. That's the original lead.
Right.
So if we
Plug us that in.
So just turn power off here. We know we're getting 12 volts. So there we are. So we know we're getting 12 volts.
Right.
Turn that off. Ah,
Ignition.
now. $13.2.
That'll do nicely.
Yeah, 13.2.
Just what the doctor ordered.
And that's it run on 240 volts.
Brilliant.
Right. Right, my dear sir. Could you pass me a microphone?
Yes, would the turner suffice?
Anything will suffice.
There you go, my friend.
Turner would, yeah. Hang on, I'm just looking for the plug because I want to see what it draws. Let's just get the power off here a minute. I want to see what it draws when I transmit. It receives one thing, transmits another.
Yeah.
It's where all your power gets pulled through.
Right.
It looks a bit Frankenstein-y, folks. But in a minute we'll see, because we want to see that meter go to at least 4 volts. I think it does just under 4 volts. 4 watts this radio.
Yeah.
There we go, it's the mic in.
Hold on.
Yeah, but why are we getting nothing? Oh, we're on SSB.
Ah, and he's throwing up.
1, 2. 1, 2. Woo! Right. AM. That is not really clever. That's not very clever.
Oh.
'Cause that is only showing. Wow. Oh, hang on. There we are. 3 watts.
That's better.
Let's see what the AM drives up to. 1, 2. Fuck all. So I wonder if my fucking mic's faulty. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, hang on. Hello.
That's better.
Hello. Yeah, the turner's on just about halfway. Let's put it back on SSB
Whistle it up.
and whistle it up. That's USB. Hello. bad.
Mm.
I'll tell you what we'll do. That's LSB. 1, 2. Hello. It does more on LSB than it does on USB.
Mm.
Hello. And that's AM. Hello. That's about the same as it was.
Mm.
What I'm going to do now, I'm going to push that back in. And I'm going to do... I'm going to... Since we're in bits, why don't we just try and peak up the transmitter?
Yeah.
See how this transformer's warming up? Oh, it's cold.
Oh, there you go.
Stone cold.
That's what you want.
So the DMT B40
Mm.
came into use after all.
Yeah.
Now, what we'll do, we'll start... I don't know where... I'm not sure. Let's get this one here because I can't turn them with that. I'm just looking. That's not it.
Mm.
Let's try this one over this side.
Yeah.
Nope. No, these won't be them. It's got to be these on this side. Yeah. That's turned it down.
Right.
That's peaked.
I'm just going to finish this off, Andy, this smoke.
Yeah, go ahead.
Won't be a minute.
That's peaked. That's peaked. So what we're actually doing, we're just peaking up the transmitter while we're here. But yeah, we're getting the 4 watts. Well, we're getting the 3 watts, what we were getting before. So what we're doing, we just want to try, just get the 4 watts if we can. Right, that one is good. Let's try this one. Yeah, let's just melt the grease on that one, the wax on that one. Just let it cool down a minute. There we go. That's it.
Are you still stick, mate?
Hmm?
Are you still stick?
Yeah.
Good.
That's down, that's up. That's as much as we're going to get.
Which is?
3 watts.
That'll do nicely.
But that's what it was.
Mm.
So, I don't know about it doing nicely, but I'm going to go over them again.
Mm.
See how we're eating up on the transistor.
Yeah. Oh, there's your phone, mate.
It's an email. 3 notifications. 10 sexy women want to come round to your home tonight. They want to rape and pillage you. Please let us have your address.
Just for the people listening,
Oh, I don't want to fucking know.
Andy might be gone sometime tonight.
I might not be available tonight.
Otherwise engaged.
So what we're going to do now, we're going to peak these up again. Because they can be interactive. Like that one there, I've just got a tidge more out of that, and I think this is to do with the receive, so I'm not going to go anywhere near those.
No.
So what we'll do now, what we'll do, we'll have a look at the power needle, we'll see where the needle tells us we are. We're just out of the red. I don't know where the TX adjustment is for the needle, and I can't get into them anyway. I think it's there. I think that one there's TX, but I don't know because I need to look at the manual. Next thing I want to look at, move the microphone well out of the way. I don't need it plugged in for this anyway, because this works without a mic. I want receive.
It's like a receive.
See, this is not really designed for this, but it'll work. This is designed for FM.
Yeah.
But it'll give you an idea. Right. I just need to find the bloody power lead now that uses. Should be. Tell you what, you know, it's not. Let's disconnect them. It's not turned out too bad, has it?
Oh, it's turned out pretty well actually.
You know, given you know that it was given that we had a blown. See, I'll remeasure that voltage, and there's a control on there you can adjust to bring it up to where it needs to be. So what I'll do, I'll remeasure that now. Because we don't want to be being done out of 0.1 of a watt, do we?
Oh no.
You know, we don't want to be doing that, do we?
No, we don't.
So basically, if I put that on the fuse there, and then go, see, it is a floating chassis on this. Go on that there, 13.2.
25 to 1.
Well, 25 to 6. You can have his tea in a minute.
Right.
So what we do, we put this in here, and see where we're at now. 12. The other way. $13.9. We fucking do, won't it?
13.9. It's only one over the odds, isn't it?
Yeah, but given that.
When you take power from it, it'll drop anyway, won't it?
You know, what I'm trying to do. What about this one here? I'm trying to find a ground. There we are. So if I hold that there, 13.9. I think that's 13.8.
That'll do nicely. Just hook the doctor off.
And that's what the radio on. 13.82. That'll do. Right, so what we'll do now, we'll connect the receive up. I'll give him his tea in a minute.
Yeah, he's being patient.
Yeah,
Listen.
can have his tea in a minute. There you are.
You're a good boy.
Let me just get this. Let me just get dealt with here, and then I can give him his tea. And that's plugged in there. that's on. What? Because I were well down there. Right. So what we'll do, we'll plug the external speakers into the external speaker socket. So we're not getting much there, are we? I wonder if it's because getting a bit of a hum.
You can hear it, mains on.
Yeah.
Does that tranny have to be decked out on that chassis?
No?
Oh, right.
Oh, it will be earthed out.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Is it picking up off that?
No, it'll be earthed out, the transformer.
Yeah.
Starting to warm up a little bit, but not much.
No.
I'm going to leave it there because what I'm going to do, I'm going to move me twiddling sticks because I'll end up all over the floor. Just move that cup out of the way. And what I want to do, I want to go to, I want my cyanide meter.
Oh, yeah, on screen.
Right. That's well low. So what we'll do, so everybody at home can see it. Right, what we can do now, we can start to bring up the receive. Don't know where you start with this, but they're transmit, so we'll start here.
Oh, there we go.
No, it's not.
Oh, moved a ton.
No, they'll just move anyway.
Oh, do they?
Yeah, it just moves about a bit on its own anyway. No, I'll know when it's moving. Nothing? Nothing? So you just move and put them all back where they come from.
Yeah.
Nothing? Might not be able to get any more out of it. Let's try these two at the back here. Let's get the metal one. I can't get it with that. Not supposed to use a metal, but it will do for. Oh shit. It's gone up a little bit.
It has. It's out the orange anyway.
No, it makes no difference. No. 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 So you only have to just move them a little bit
Yeah, just a tad.
and put them back where they come from. Don't do much this. Nope. 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 Wow. Nope. None of them make a difference.
No.
None of them.
Mm.
The only one that did was that one here.
Yeah.
It was the only one that did.
Mm.
None of them make a difference, and that's weird.
It is, isn't it?
Mm. And these here are transmit.
You don't want them.
And what's this one? I've not really got this one. Transmit probably.
Mm. Drop back down into orange now, Andy.
Hang on. I've just seen something.
Ah.
Bloody washer's dropped in here.
Oh, bloody hell.
That was lucky, wasn't it? Spotted that.
Yeah, that could have created all sorts of problems.
And the problem is, it's behind that wire.
Ah. Have we not got a magnet? You can just lift it out.
I had it there, it fell off the...
Oh.
There we are. Where have you gone? There you are. Right, so let's turn it back on.
Oh, aye.
But that's a bit... Yeah, I mean we're... Let's see where we're doing with the meter. Let's turn that down.
Mm.
That's got to be doing everybody's head in, hasn't it?
Piercing.
See, you can normally get them to move by adjusting put them back where they were, obviously.
Mm.
You see if your signal meter moves, you see.
Mm.
Where's the clarifier set? Oh, we're slightly off frequency. Oh no, we're not. No, we're not. We're on 27,205. Are we on channel 20?
Should be. Yeah.
Right. Well, basically, let's peak that one.
Mm.
That one doesn't do out. And I think this one's, these are to transmit line.
Mm.
I think that's transmit as well. Yeah, so we'll check the transmitter on that one.
Mm.
That one I can't turn because I cracked the bloody boat by accident.
Oh.
But it's peaked anyway.
Mm.
That one's peaked.
Mm-hmm.
These are making these are having an effect.
Right.
Making sure we're on AM. We're on AM, yeah we are. We're on AM. Yes. Yeah. Right. Let's get that lead out of there. But basically, sometimes you have to bloody do it this way.
Mm.
That's peaked. That is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so let's check this one here again. Yeah, that one is. Let's go over these. Doesn't make any difference. I mean, it might somewhere. See, it makes a difference on SSB.
Oh dear.
Yeah, it did. It made a bit of a difference on SSB. Yeah, it does. Oh, that's tuning the SSB. Yeah. They're there for tuning the SSB, them fuckers.
Ah.
Yeah, they're tuned it there, the SSB. That one there must be the discriminator or detector. Not making any difference. Well, it did make a bit of difference. This one here. That must be the AM. Nope. And I think I've been wrong that lot there. Let's see how far we can. Let's turn the volume up. It's all the way down. Right, let's go over that now. So we'll start there. Let's peak that a bit. So you've got to remember the tones for FM.
Yeah.
That won't make any difference. What about this one here? That did. That's got nothing. That's your detector there.
Right.
And that's in the transmitter. And these are in the receiver. See how we've gone up on our signal meter? Actually, oh, we've gone down, haven't we? Because we turned the signal down.
Mm.
We're at 109 there. Let's see how we can. 109 dB. 116. Yeah, to sort that one out, I accidentally cracked. I'd have to take the transformer off the board.
Oh.
Take the rub out by the back.
Mm.
Right, well I think that that's pretty much as good as we're going to get.
Yeah.
So we'll turn that back up. Turn the volume down. We're not going to get any better than that.
No.
Not going to get any better. So what I want to do next is find out which is the signal meter adjustment.
Mm.
Right. It tells you on some of them. Right. That there's going to be the power meter.
Mm.
So I'd say, so you can't get into them.
No. Well, they're just like an RV, are they?
Yeah.
Mm. Horseshoe, we used to call them.
You can't get into the bloody things.
Mm.
You know, you can't get into them. You just can't get into them to lift the signal meter.
Mm.
Because it could be that one there actually. But the problem is, is getting into the damn things.
Yeah.
You can't get into them because of where they've put them. You see, you have to take the bloody front of the radio off
Yeah.
to adjust that. You know, because that's only giving me £3,
Mm.
and I should be getting. I should be able to get it up to at least £9
Wow.
for an S9 signal.
Mm.
So
Little scrappy dude.
well, that's not the one. I wonder if it's that fucker there. I wonder what that one is. Well, that ain't it. No. Put that back to where it was.
Mm.
And that'll be the power. That'll be power.
Mm.
That'll be the power. I'll have to look in the manual.
Yeah.
No,
Just to be better
yeah.
than safe, innit?
Yeah. So anyway, what we'll do, we'll give him his tea.
Yeah.
I'll look in the manual. Yeah, I'll look in the manual because I've got the manual for it. So. Right. Yeah, because that hasn't made much of a difference.
No.
And the RF gain, get nothing with the gain down. Look at that.
All right. A bit sharpish, that, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, it receives. It receives. I mean, it received. You know, I'm getting the same poundage off this tester as what I get off you. And this is this is a hundred. What do you call it? 100 kilowatt. 100 microvolts. Anyway, what we'll do, we'll give him his tea.
Yeah.
But what we'll do, we'll plug this back in and see if we made any difference on our 13.8 volt adjustment and see, and then we can fit the transformer.
Yeah.
Because we know the transformer works.
Oh yeah.
And we know it's adequate for it. We know it's not going to cause any issues. So we'll put that back in here. We'll test it tomorrow night when you go home.
Yeah. Oh, it'd be great to have a test with it.
Yeah. But I think put the mic back in. The mic in.
The microphone. Microphone.
Yeah, and see what we get. Yeah, I didn't. Oh, I want to check that one that I wasn't happy with, don't I? Which I said was receive. Which I said was transmit. Which was this one here. Yeah, it was. I was right. That's 3 watts exactly. Let's just check this one. I know all these are, but oh, we got it over the 3 watt mark this time.
Oh, I think that's handy. That's quite
Not by much.
every little helps, Andy.
We got that out there. No, we
Just
haven't.
use your toilet, mate.
Hello.
It's this time.
Right, well that's as far as we can gonna go on the transmitter. But the transformer's working, we'll fit that permanently after a few minutes. Yeah, we've got it to just over 3 watts.
That'll do nicely.
Only just over, like.
Yeah.
1, 2. 1, 2. SSB.
Yeah.
1, 2. Hello. That's lower than what it was.
I'll just have a quick smoke, Andy, while you're
Hello. 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 That's right. Hello. 1. Hello. Oh. Let's get the other thing that's too small, big. Hello. Hello. Yeah, these things here I adjusted.
Yeah.
They're for actually the SSB. Hello. 1, 2. Yeah, they're for LSB. 1 for USB. Because it's not transmitting on USB very well. 1, 2. That one is now. Hello. One, 2. Yeah, they're for SSB then. So now I need to peak them fuckers back up.
Oh dear.
No wonder they did that on receive. But there again, you don't know unless you try. So we're getting there now. We're getting it back to where it was. See, if you see the difference there, if we go to, or just check the SWR. Put on AM. But show me dummy load ain't gone on one. No, we're alright. That's AM. That's perfect, that. So, see if I whistle it up on LSB.
Oh, that's increasing.
1, 2. But if we go to USB, 1, 2. See what I mean?
A bit flat.
Yeah, a little bit.
Just needs a tweak.
Hello. Hello. We're getting there. These are what these are for. Hello. 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 We're getting there. We're getting it there. So that's what these are for. They wouldn't make no difference. That doesn't do out. Am I on full volume on the mic? I am. So they must be for LSB. So I'll go through this lot again and try this one here. Oh, that made a difference. Look at that.
Oh yeah, that's what you want.
Just double check this one here. What I'll do now, I'll go through all these. Hello. Oops. Just blow into them, really. So what I'll do now, I will try and keep a constant blow, and I will switch it to LSB. It's about the same, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. So there we go.
All in one shot.
How's that needle on the front doing? 1, 2. Ooh, fuck me. It's going right across.
Is it?
Yep.
That's what you want.
Yep. So basically,
You've sorted it.
yeah, it looks like I don't know what I'm doing. Now, just double check the AM. Now, we know these here are for the AM. We know these are for the AM, and the back here is for the main power. So we're actually, well, there we are. Look at that. We're right now. Look, because
Yeah.
1, 2. We're whistling nearly 8 watts, and that's what it was doing when I first got it.
Right.
1, 2. So let's push that in. Just over 3.
Brilliant.
I'm going to leave that because I think we're all right there.
Quit when you're winning.
Yeah. And what I'll do, I'll look at the manual. But what we're going to do now, folks, we're going to go and give Scrapsy his tea. I'm going to turn this into a 2-parter. I might not even load. Do you think I should upload this, given I made a fuck up on the SSB, or
No, I think you should, because people will learn from it.
you know, should I just do it again and let everybody think I know what I'm doing?
No, leave it.
You know, a bit like, hang on, a bit like a radio cruncher. You know, I think what I should do, given that I have been honest and I don't really know what these things do, and I'm learning. Now we've found out that these do SSB around here. It tunes your SSB. We've learned that because we've looked at the meter. We're not worrying about the cyanide. The cyanide's not really, that really is not of much use on AM.
No.
Really, I should have used that,
Well,
but it's not plugged in. So what we're going to do, I will upload this because it's got us experimenting with the transformer on it.
Exactly.
So I will upload it.
Yeah, that's good.
And you know, if people want to call me a klutz and say I don't know what I'm doing, so be it. I'm learning. I'm not a CB radio engineer. I don't claim to be. I'm just using my basic electronic. I'm using my, should I say, my extensive knowledge of electronics to work this out. I mean, FM CBs, I can do those because I've got the gear for them. But for this stuff, I haven't got the gear. So I'm basically flying by the seat of my pants, if you like. And but I will upload the video, I think. But what we'll do, we'll end it here. And thank you very much, folks, for joining me and for being patient. You all have a good bonfire night. Say goodbye, Carl.
Goodbye, Carl.
And I will catch you later, folks, in the next one. when we mount the power supply. Bye for now.